Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tires on the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. To change the tires on the Victory LX Sport, it's pretty straightforward and easy. The only tools you'll need is a half-inch socket, or a 13mm socket will also fit, a flathead screwdriver, and then something to prop the scooter up on. One thing I want to mention is you do not need to have the seat removed to do this. Just someone purchased the seat this morning before I got a chance to do the video, so you don't need to remove the seat for this. But I'm going to start by jacking up the unit. It is the same process changing the front tire and the rear tire, just you'll have to move your jack. I have the front of the unit jacked up here with a little hand jack. You can use anything if you have a piece of wood or anything underneath the scooter that will get you maybe an inch or so of clearance underneath. That way when we pull the tire off, it's not dragging the ground. So I have this little hand jack here, but you can use anything to prop just under the frame. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my flathead screwdriver. I'm going to pop out this little cover right here. There it goes. Then that exposes a single half-inch bolt in there. Again, you could use half-inch or 13mm would also work. I have a socket set here. You could use a drill bit with this socket on the end, but I'm just going to use this socket. I recommend a longer socket. I tried a shorter one and it was really close, kind of hard to get your hand in there. So I've got the longer one here. And I'm just going to take this bolt out. There we go. So the bolt is out. It just comes with the bolt, and then there's two washers in here. So a small lock washer and then a regular washer. From here, the tire just slides off, just like that. Then once you get your new tire in, I'll just pretend this is the new tire. It'll just slide back on. There is no little key in here. It is perfectly rounded. Some of them have a little key to lock the tire in. This one does not have that, so it just slides on any direction. Should make it a lot easier to replace. Slide it in, and we'll take our bolt with the washer, then a lock washer. Go ahead and start threading it by hand. And then from there, we'll just tighten it up again with our wrench. There we go. Make sure it's on snug. You don't have to go too tight, but as long as the tire freely rolls, we're good to go. We'll just pop our little cap back in. There we go. And then it's the exact same process on the rear tire. Just lift it up so you have about an inch underneath, and then just take that one bolt out and you are good to go. Pretty straightforward process on these. One final thing to note on this scooter is there is no front and rear tires. They're both the same size tires. They're 10-inch in the front, 10-inch in the back. So you don't have to figure out which is front and which is rear. They're the same all the way around. Once again, this has been how to change the tires on the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility. If you like this video, if you like this unit, or if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.